Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a BMW X3 or X5 with this style key, guys, and you need to remove and replace key fob battery, stay with us. We'll cover everything from start to finish. Now, quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW here, guys, we are making at least 200 to 300 videos, guys. We take them completely apart. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free and providing these free videos to you. Now, all we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you guys need to buy a replacement battery or a key fob case, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where you can purchase it from for a really good price and fast shipping as well. So let us show you guys, okay, what needs to be done now. Okay, this is okay, let me focus right here. Perfect, just like that. This is, guys, the key, X3 key. Now that same key design has been used on X3, X5, on 5 series that we have right here. So what we need to do in order to remove and replace that battery, on the back side right here we have a button. Press in, release the key. Now we need to get a small screwdriver, guys, and right here, okay, you have one clip that you need to pry out. Okay, grab that cover and remove it. Oh, I almost dropped it. Now this is, guys, the battery. Okay, this is a heavy duty battery. Now guys, stand till the end, because if you have an X3, guys, with a 4-cylinder engine, gasoline engine, we'll share some information with you guys that can save you thousands of dollars. So make sure you stand till the end, guys. I want to share something with you quick, because that's what we have a problem with here at the shop now. This is the new battery that we get. Just go like that in an angle. After that, okay, it's very important how we install it. You can see that clip on the front. It slides in here. Get it all the way in. Align everything. Press in until you hear the click. Perfect. And all we have to do next, go ahead, grab the key and install it, guys. Okay, you can see just like that. Now, that same, guys, engine, the 2.0 gasoline twin power turbo engine, guys, has been used in that 5 series, guys, and it just developed the timing chain problem. It jumped the timing chain, it broke the timing chain tensioner and timing chain guide. Okay, all that is in the oil pan. Timing chain guide in pieces in the oil pan. This is the timing chain tensioner that failed, guys. We have a video on the channel that explains how to remove and replace that timing chain, because that's a weak spot on certain years, guys. We have a video on the channel that explains all about that. Check it out. It's on our main channel, guys. Okay, you know, we have the main channel. It's called How to Repair Guys. Right there, How to Repair Guys. We have the whole complete video, timing chain replacement on BMW N20 engine. Okay, you want to check it out, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.